Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a solution or some solutions for a technical problem that I have found. Please check the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Please consider to like and comment down below. See you later in another video. Guys for watching the video. I hope that you found the solution or the solutions helpful, and please consider liking the video, commenting down below, or subscribe my channel, or all of them at once. It will help me a lot. See you. Bye.